They call us gamblers. They say we depend on luck. They claim that no one can beat the market, and we're wasting our time. This isn't a real job. We should give up our hobby, they say. But if they only knew that we are the masters of risk, the essence of entrepreneurial spirit, the liquidity of the economy. We live by our wits, eating what we hunt, adapting to the ever-changing jungle landscape that is the market. We trade the currency you circulate when you shop. We trade the companies you work for each day. We trade the gold on the watch on your wrist. While you wilt at the sight of failure and loss, we relish adversity. We are not afraid to take losses, to talk about our losses, to rebound from our losses. Those are our defining moments. Discipline and self-awareness are our companions. We are what you've always wished you could be. And we're coming out of the shadows.